Hi everybody, hope you're doing great. Today I'll be reviewing the Atopack Penguin SE Starter Kit by Joyetech. The Joyetech Penguin Special Edition kit features new vibrant colors and an e-liquid window to view your levels. The kit comes in a sturdy cardboard box. The contents include a quick start guide, warranty card, an e-liquid instruction card, a micro USB cable, silicone caps for the mouthpiece and cartridge, 2 coils, a 0.6 ohm coil for mouth to lung, and a 0.25 ohm coil for direct lung, and the Penguin cartridge with the Penguin SE 2000 mAh rechargeable battery. Combined together, the Penguin SE is roughly 4 inches in height by 2 inches in width. Charge the Penguin via the micro USB port on the front. Use the silicone caps for the mouthpiece and spare cartridges. Once charged, 5 clicks of the power button turns it on or off. 5 LED lights on the front of the Penguin indicate the battery level. The Penguin pod style cartridges can hold up to 8.8 milliliters of e-liquid. To fill the pod with e-liquid, first remove the plastic coil plug to reveal the inside. To the left is the airflow tube, and the center hole is for e-liquid. Before you fill the pod, prime your new coil by adding drops of e-liquid to both sides and let it sit. Fill the pod with e-liquid, being careful to not overfill past the line. Place the coil down in the top and press firmly into place. Let the pod sit for 5 minutes or longer to let the e-liquid completely soak into the cotton. Snap the pod into the Penguin battery and you're ready to vape. The Penguin SE is a pretty cool device. It's very lightweight for its size and battery capacity, with 8 milliliters of e-liquid on board. The size and curves are perfect for my hand size and very comfortable to hold. It does have a little rattle in the pod, but it's not too bad. My biggest con is that I found it's hard to fill the pod with the deep port and thin sides. I've only tried the mouth to lung coil and I was very impressed. The Penguin can be a little airy, so depending on how much air you restrict with the mouthpiece, the same coil can also be used for direct to lung. The max wattage output is 50 watts, which provides an excellent vaping experience. I really like the new pod designs, and for the e-liquid and battery capacity of the Penguin, it definitely goes on my favorites list. The Joyetech Atopack Penguin SE kit currently runs $29.99 and comes in 6 different colors. If you'd like to pick up the kit for yourself, just click on the info link in the description box below this video. As always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and connect with me on my social sites. Have an excellent day, and may the vape be with you.